CFO got confused choosing 19.2 crore savings or 17.6 crore savings in a solar PPA, and the answer wasn't obvious. CFO of a manufacturing company based out of Tamil Nadu decided to invest 50 megawatt in open access solar PPA. He received multiple proposals from developer and finally had two options. Option A, go for a fixed tariff 3.3 rupees offering a saving of 19.2 crore. Option B, offering a saving of 17.6 crore, but it was a discount to grid tariff. It was obvious to choose option A, but it wasn't, because in option B, he was getting a hedge throughout the life on the open access charges. It's like buying an insurance premium to get a hedge against any of the risk. He got confused and had to prove to the board which is the apt structure to go for. In this video, I'm going to decode for you choosing between the fixed tariff option versus the discount to grid tariff option in a scientific framework, so that when you are in this situation, you're able to decode for your board precisely with data and evidences which is the right structure for you. So stay till the end of this video, because you're going to get a lot of value from this video. Before we decide how to decide the tariff structure between a fixed or discount to grid, let's understand the difference between the two. In a fixed tariff structure, the tariff for the solar PPA is fixed throughout the tenure, and a discount to grid tariff structure, the savings is fixed throughout the tenure. Let me explain by the example. Assume the variable grid tariff is 7 rupees. In a fixed tariff structure, you have negotiated a tariff of 3.3 rupees. Open access charges are, let's say, 1.2 rupees. So the landed cost is 450. The savings in a fixed tariff option is roughly around 2.5 rupees. However, in discount to grid tariff model, your savings is fixed. In the same example, the 7 rupees is the grid tariff, and the savings that you have negotiated is 2.2 rupees against the grid tariff. So the landed tariff is 4.8. Let's say the open access charges are still 1.3. The solar tariff comes out to be 3 rupees 50 paisa. So understand that. The second important parameter for you to evaluate is the tariff variability. For example, in a fixed tariff structure, the grid tariff goes up to 8 rupees. There is a very minimal impact on the solar tariff. Your savings also increase by 1 rupee. Whereas if the tariff goes up to 8 rupees in discount to grid tariff, the savings actually remains at 2.2 and the cost of solar goes up by 1 rupee. So that's the kind of variability that you have in both the structures. Now, since you have understood the difference between fixed tariff and discount to grid, there are three key important parameters that you need to consider while deciding which one to choose for. If in your state, the historical grid tariff is consistently increasing, go for fixed tariff, otherwise discount to grid tariff. If the savings delta between a grid tariff and the solar or a renewable energy solutions landed tariff is equal and greater than 2 rupees, go for fixed tariff, otherwise blindly go for discount to grid tariff. And third, the most important thing, if the open access charges historically are not varying so much, then go for a fixed tariff, and if it is varying so much, then go for discount to grid tariff. I still have a very important pro tip to give it to you to decide between fixed tariff or discount to grid tariff. But before I do that, here is an invitation. The invitation is to invite you for one-on-one consultation call with me and my team. In this call, we are going to decode the electricity bills of yours, understand which tariff structure works for you, so that you are able to take renewable energy solution with the maximum NPV and maximum replacement. Trust me, this 1 hour call will give you 10x value, because this will save at least 4 to 5 months of your time doing it in-house on your own, rather than getting it done with the experts. So go on the link below, click on this consultation call, because we have very limited slots available for this month. Now, coming back to the pro tip that I talked about. If your management preference is to chase returns and take this meetha risk, then go for a fixed tariff structure and mitigate these risks through the PPA contracts. And if your management practice is to mitigate the risk rather than chasing the return, then blindly go for discount to grid tariff. I hope you found value in this video. I look forward to see you in my next video and in one-to-one consultation call. Thank you.